Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get from Rome's airport to the cruise port in Civitavecchia using public transportation. Plus how to make a day trip to Rome's city center from the port, and some other tips you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Civitavecchia is a popular Italian port town located about 50 miles northwest of Rome, and it's a major hub for cruises. Did you know that in 2023 alone, more than 3 million cruise passengers passed through here? That's incredible. It's actually the second busiest cruise port in Europe after Barcelona, Spain. A lot of passengers fly into Rome to board their cruises, and while there are a few ways to get to Civitavecchia, the most economical and convenient option is public transportation. So let me walk you through it step by step. If you've never used the Italian train system before, don't worry. A bit of prep before you leave home will make your journey super smooth. First, check the train schedule for options about an hour or two after your flight's arrival. This way, you're not rushing. Second, check if there's a planned train strike on your travel date. Strikes happen occasionally, but don't panic, they're announced in advance. I'm using an app called Trenit for this demo, which links to the Trenitalia website for strike updates. Other apps like Trainline, Romeo, or Rome to Rio are also great for schedules, but they don't always show strike info. Tip number 1. Don't buy your tickets for this journey in advance. These trains never sell out, and there's no cost savings for early booking. It's a hassle if you need to exchange your ticket, or worse, you might not get a refund if you arrive too late for your train. You have different options for getting to Civitavecchia, a combination of fast trains and/or regional trains. The fast train option is quicker but a bit more expensive. For example, let's say you catch the 11:08 morning train. It includes the Leonardo Express from the airport to Rome's Central Station and then a high-speed train to Civitavecchia. The Leonardo Express usually arrives at platform 24, and the trains to Civitavecchia typically leave from platforms 25 to 29. You have 17 minutes to make your connection, which is plenty of time. Check the departure boards labeled Partens to confirm your platform once you're there. If your trip happens to include a slower train to the Central Station instead of the Leonardo Express, keep in mind that it will likely arrive at a platform that is farther away. Be ready to walk at least 500 meters to reach the 25 to 29 platforms. If you want to save money, this is the way to go. The slower regional trains connect at Rome Ostiense, a smaller station with only 5 platforms, so it's much easier to navigate. You have about 10 minutes to find your connecting train, which is very manageable. This option only takes about 20 minutes longer than the fast train route, and is much more budget-friendly. Personally, I prefer the smaller station vibe. It feels less hectic and fewer crowds, making navigating with baggage easier, but the choice is yours. Before you leave home, it's important to check for planned train strikes to avoid any unpleasant surprise. Here's how. Look for strike announcements in the table for Trenitalia and the Lazio region. On the Trenit app, click the link for guaranteed trains during a strike. Then select Lazio to see what trains will still be running in case of a strike. And that's it! With a little planning and the right information, your transfer from the airport to the cruise by train will be easy and stress-free. Once you arrive at the airport and pick up your baggage, head directly to the train station by following the well-marked train signs. Along the way, you might see some Trenitalia self-service ticket machines. If there's no queue, you can buy your ticket there. Otherwise, you can purchase it at the train station. When I was there was a massive lineup of more than 50 people at the arrivals hall ticket machines, but no one at the train station. Based on what I've shown you earlier, you would be able to buy your train ticket like a pro by simply following the on-screen prompts on the machine. Once you bought your ticket, take a picture of your itinerary for reference. To get onto the train, you need to validate your ticket by scanning it at the fare gate. Once inside, you can board the Leonardo Express on the left and all the other trains on your right. Tip number 2. Keep your ticket with you during the journey in case of a ticket inspection. Passengers without a valid ticket will face a hefty fine. Tip number 3. On the second train, seat on the left side of the train facing forward, you'll be rewarded with beautiful sea view as the train approaches its destination. If you are taking the train from Rome city center, there are 2 other train stations that offer direct trains to the cruise port, and the fare costs less than €5. Bus options are available to take you to Rome Central Station, so you can hop on your connecting train to Civitavecchia. There is one bus that offers connection to the port's welcome center at Largo della Parchi as well. All these buses take passengers at Terminal 3 arrivals of Rome's Fiumicino airport. TAM bus runs between the airport and Rome Central Station only. Basic fare is priced at €7 if purchased in advance. Otherwise, it is €2 more if purchased on the ground. It runs 24 hours at 25 to 60 minutes frequency depending on time of day. You can change date and time 1 hour before departure. Rome Fiumicino Airport Shuttle also charges €7 per person for their 50 minutes journey, operates between 8 a.m. to 9:55 p.m. and runs approximately every 40 minutes. All tickets are non-refundable. Terravision's buses take passengers to Rome Central Station in 45 minutes for €6.50. They use an open ticket system, so you never have to worry about flight delay. Children under 4 years old travel for free. It runs from 5 a.m. to 12:30 midnight at 10 minutes to 1 hour frequency depending on time of day. Rome Airport bus charges the lowest bus fare at €5.90 and the journey time is approximately 50 minutes. Ticket can be used anytime during their operating hours. Children under 5 travel for free when accompanied by an adult. Operating hours and frequency vary widely by time of day and day of the week. Link in the description below for more information. Citbus is the only bus service that offers transfer between the airport and the terminal station and from the train station to Largo della Parchi in Civitavecchia or the Rome Cruise Passenger Welcome Center. The 1-hour airport transfer costs €7. This bus operates from 7:45 a.m. to 1:15 a.m. Bus frequency ranges from 15 minutes to 45 minutes. The cruise port transfer costs €15 and takes an hour and 45 minutes. However, this bus leaves from the terminal station at 3:30 p.m. and arrives at Civitavecchia at 5:15 p.m., which doesn't work for cruisers who want to go directly from the airport to the cruise port on the same day, as the cruise ships would have left the port by that time unless they are docking overnight. Once you arrive in Civitavecchia, you have the options to get to the port, a paid shuttle or a free shuttle. Exit the Civitavecchia station and turn right. About 50 meters away, you'll find a bus stop where you can catch the red bus or the Civitavecchia port link. This bus service is available when cruise ships are in port and operates roughly from 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. It costs €6 each way. Runs every 20 to 25 minutes and takes about 15 minutes to get to the port. It's cash only on board. You can add the €6 fare when buying your train ticket by selecting Civitavecchia Port as your destination and scan your ticket at the bus fare machine when you board. To take the free shuttle bus, you can walk 750 meters from the station to the bus stop near the pedestrian entrance of Fort Michelangelo. The bus stop is right in front of this building. Or you can walk 900 meters to the shuttle terminal located behind Fort Michelangelo. Look for this statue. The terminal is just behind it. This shuttle won't take you directly to the pier. You need to get off at the Largo del Lapis bus stop. Once there, show your cruise boarding pass to the staff. Then, wait for another free cruise shuttle to take you to your pier. If you're staying in town before your cruise, check the link in the description below to find the bus stop closest to your accommodation plus its hours of operations. If you're liking my video so far, please click the like button. It will go a long way to help get this content out there. Many cruise passengers arriving at Civitavecchia do day trips to Rome by excursions or go on their own by using public transportation. For cruisers who prefer to do their own thing, it's easy to get from the cruise port to the train station. You can use either the free or paid shuttle service as mentioned before. Without luggage, you can also walk directly to the train station in about 30 to 40 minutes depending on where you are docked. And if you are using the free shuttle, it is about a 20-minute walk from Largo del Lapis. Rome has 4 train stations that serve as gateways to its many tourist sites. Here's a quick breakdown of travel times from the port to popular sites in Rome to help you plan your day. Rather than buying separate train and Rome public transport tickets on your day trip, get a 5-zone BIRG ticket Biglietto Integrato Regionale Giornaliero for €12. This ticket offers unlimited journeys on regional trains, metro, buses, trams, and trolleybuses within the travel zones until midnight on the day of validation, perfect if you're visiting Rome just for the day. Regional train tickets to and from Rome are about €10 round trip. The BIRG ticket pays for itself if you only use the metro twice in Rome. You can buy the BIRG ticket at the Civitavecchia train ticket kiosk or bar stand inside the station. Make sure to validate the ticket before starting your journey and keep it on you for inspections. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to help me share this information with more like-minded travelers. Hit the notifications button so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and have a great time in Italy. Ciao!